Hi everyone, how's everything going? I'm Cristiano Ronaldo and welcome to Speak Real English. I'm truly grateful that you've subscribed to the channel on YouTube and that you're also listening through iTunes or tuning in via Stitcher to the Speak Real English podcast. Today's English learning session is focused on helping you sound more natural and expressive in your conversations. We'll be exploring 7 different expressions that people use in real-life conversations to show shock, amazement, or surprise. This is a great opportunity to not only listen and understand how these expressions are used, but also to get involved by repeating them aloud and practicing them in your own daily speech. I always recommend that after you listen once, go back and repeat the phrases with me the second time. This helps improve pronunciation, rhythm, and natural tone. I want you to apply these words in real situations, whether you're speaking to yourself, having a chat with someone you know, or participating in an online class. In fact, I suggest joining an online session to practice what we're going to learn here, and I've got good news. Right now, my friends over at Italki are offering a special deal where you can take one lesson and get another one at no additional cost. That's 2 full learning experiences for the cost of one. It's the perfect chance to apply everything you learned today in real conversation with a trained English speaker. Now, imagine you're talking with a friend who's telling you a story that's completely unexpected or unbelievable. You want to respond in a way that shows you're fully engaged, interested, and reacting naturally. That's when these kinds of expressions become super useful. Let's dive into the first one. Instead of staying silent or saying something dull, you can say, dang. This word is informal and relaxed, and it works great when you want to show that you're surprised. It's a friendly and casual way to react, and it's not considered inappropriate. So it's safe to use in almost any social situation. Another great reaction is, that's crazy. This phrase shows you're really taken aback by something, whether it's shocking or just hard to believe. If you've ever watched the video I did with my friend Amber, you might have noticed her using this exact phrase during our chat. It's very common and very expressive. Moving on, we also have, oh my gosh. Now, you might hear some people say, oh my god, but that version can be a bit sensitive depending on who you're speaking with. To keep it neutral and polite, oh my gosh is a great alternative. It communicates the same level of surprise without risking offense. Say it with a sense of wonder in your voice to make it sound authentic. The next word you can use is, what? But how you say it makes a big difference. When you're shocked or stunned, don't just say it flatly. Add a rise in your voice, some real emotional lift. A dramatic what is much more effective and expressive than a monotone version. Now let's go over whoa. This one is a favorite in English. It's quick, it sounds cool, and it's really common. Similar to wow, it's one of the simplest ways to show that something surprised you. Try saying, whoa, when you hear something unbelievable or impressive. Let's keep going. Another solid reaction is, no way. This phrase lets someone know that you find their story or situation almost too crazy to be real. It's like saying you're in disbelief, but in a light and friendly way. No way is often used when something happens that you never expected, or when the result is just too wild to believe. And finally, we have really. This one can be used in so many different tones depending on your emotion, but when showing surprise, you want your pitch to go up at the end. That rising tone signals amazement. It's subtle, but very powerful when used correctly. Don't say it flat or dull. You want to sound genuinely surprised. So give it some energy and emotion. Now that we've walked through these expressions, the next step is for you to make them a natural part of how you communicate. The best way to do that is through consistent use and repetition. Try them out in your everyday thoughts, during practice conversations, or even in your head while watching movies or shows. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. These kinds of words will help you sound more like a native speaker and will also give you confidence in responding naturally during conversations. Keep in mind that mastering English is not just about grammar or vocabulary lists. It's about connecting with people and expressing your reactions, your personality, and your thoughts clearly and naturally. Also, I want to remind you that you can take advantage of the special offer at Italki, where you pay for one lesson and receive another completely free. It's an excellent opportunity to apply everything you're learning here and receive real feedback from experienced instructors. You'll get personalized guidance, and you'll be able to practice these new expressions in a real conversation. That's how your confidence and fluency will grow. Before we wrap up, I've also prepared a free ebook to help you continue improving your English fluency. If you visit my YouTube channel called Mr. English Teacher and enter your email, I'll send it straight to your inbox. This ebook is packed with practical tips, natural expressions, and techniques for speaking more confidently and fluently in English. It's completely free, and it's a great resource to support everything we talked about today. Thanks again for joining me. I truly appreciate your time and effort in working on your English with me today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more lessons like this. And in the next episode, we'll be diving into some fun and interesting expressions that have double meanings in English, which can be a little tricky but also a lot of fun to learn. I can't wait to explore that with you. Until then, take care, keep practicing, and I'll talk to you very soon.